Welcome again to Chinese 101, and I hope you're all excited about learning our first lesson. So in lesson 1, you are going to learn the first group of pinyin. You all know that pinyin is the Chinese phonetic system, and which including tones. And we are also going to learn 11 Chinese characters. And then we're going to learn dialogue, how to greet in Chinese Mandarin. So first, among the phonetics we're going to learn in lesson 1, and I just want to point out that there is one phonetic which is you don't have it in English, which is sound yu. So I put it here. So yu, when you pronounce yu, and you need to round your lip, and at the same time, you need to have your tongue against the lower teeth as you pronounce E. So now would you like to try with me? And first you pronounce E, and then be cautious or be aware of where is your tongue when you pronounce E. And then you round your lip like you pronounce U. So let's try it again. So E, so that's a sound. So the U with 2 dots on the top, it pronounced as yu. So this is a challenge I want to explain here in this video. And then the other one is in this lesson, we're going to learn 2 question words. So ma and n. So this is ma and this is n. And we're also going to learn how to recognize and how to write 11 Chinese characters. Those characters doesn't have lots of strokes, so it's easier for the beginners. And I also, in terms of pronunciation, I also want you to read after me the 2 names. They are our textbook characters. One is Lu Yuping. So make sure Lu is a fourth tone. We learned that fourth tone is a falling tone. So Lu. And then Yu, third tone. And the Ping, second tone. So one more time. Lu Yuping. So when you pronounce fourth tone, it sounds like you are very angry. And then Ping, second tone is a rising tone. And sounds like you're asking question like, what? And then the other name is Lin Na. So again, second tone is rising tone. So will be Lin, and then Na, it's a fourth tone. Okay, so the 2 grammar question words in our grammar for lesson 1 is ma and n. So ma is a yes or no question. It's very simple. All you need to do is you just add ma at the end of the sentence. For example, here I said, Alex 是中国人吗? So Alex 是中国人, which means Alex is Chinese. So after you add the ma at the end, it becomes is Alex Chinese. So you don't need to change the word order at all. So next one, Bill 喝咖啡 means Bill drinks coffee. So now if I change to Bill 喝咖啡吗, which means does Bill drinks coffee? So ma is a yes or no question. It's very simple. All you need to do is to place it at the end of the sentence and don't need to change any word order. And then the second question word we learned for lesson 1 is no. Not we call it elliptical question, and oftentimes it means how about. So for example, again, I will use this sentence, 你好吗? How are you? 我很好,你呢? I'm fine. How about you? So the na here means how about. So it's an elliptical question word. And the other question, not question, the grammar we learned is yeah. Yeah is adverb. It means also. So in our textbook, it also says it means to, T-O-O. I just want to remind you that yeah is always placed before a verb. It never placed at the end of the sentence like English. So we also in lesson 1, and we learned a very simple greeting dialogue. So I have this dialogue extended here with some supplementary expressions, and I want you to read after me. So then I hope that you can replace this supplementary expressions here and to the dialogue above. So for example, first one, 不错. 不错 means not bad. Next one, 马马虎虎 means so-so, just so-so. 还可以, it's okay. 还好, it's all right. So our textbook we learned very well, 很好. So these are the expressions here you can replace with 很好. All right. And then for lesson 1, I want to remind you our graded assignments are post your response on discussion boards. We have both making sentences, also culture discussion, and also don't do your audio and writing assignment early. So if you have any questions, and you can communicate with me. And don't forget to do the practice quiz, because our practice quiz are not allowed to make up once you miss it. All right, I hope you enjoy your lesson 1. If you have any questions, and don't hesitate to contact me. Enjoy.